What if I told you that you don't need years of experience, a degree, or even a lot of money to start making money online in 2026? Because right now, AI is creating a massive opportunity and most people are completely ignoring it, but not you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners are using AI to earn money and how you can start today. We're living in a time where AI tools can do things that used to take hours in seconds. Writing, designing, editing, even coding. And the best part, you don't need to be an expert. You just need to know how to use these tools the right way. Let's break it down. The first and easiest way to make money with AI is content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are exploding right now. And guess what? Most viral pages are faceless. Here's how people are doing it. They use AI to write scripts, AI voice tools to generate voiceovers, and free stock footage or AI visuals for videos. That's it, channels are getting millions of views just by posting simple content like motivation videos, facts videos, money tips, and AI tutorials. And once you get views, you earn from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. The second method is AI freelancing. People are making money on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork using AI tools, even beginners. You can offer services like logo design, resume writing, social media posts, and blog writing and use AI to do most of the work. For example, a client pays you $20 for a logo. You use an AI tool, generate it in minutes, deliver it, and profit. Scale this and you can turn it into a full income. Third method, sell digital products. This is where things get really interesting. People are creating ebooks and Notion templates, AI prompt packs and courses using AI and selling them again and again. No inventory, no shipping, just pure profit. You create once and sell unlimited times. But let's be real for a second, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You won't make money overnight. But if you stay consistent for even 30 days, you can build something that actually grows. Most people fail because they quit too early. Don't be that person. Here's what you should do next. Pick one method, learn the basics of that method, use free AI tools, and start today. Stay consistent, that's it. Simple but powerful, AI is not the future. It's already here. And the people who start now will be way ahead of everyone else. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe because I'll be sharing more ways to make money with AI.